Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2023. Hopefully, everyone had a good holiday break. So, let's jump right into it. So, our first series this year is going to be talking about good habits. So, a lot of times we usually focus on physical fitness. How can we exercise more? So, we all go and start joining the gym and doing YouTube videos. But I want to take a step back and give us some practical steps on how to create good habits regarding managing our business finances. So, of course, being an accountant, I love a good checklist. I create lists. I have so many lists, it's ridiculous. I have many sticky notes. So I'll give you an example. So recently went to Target with our oldest, and she was like, "Well, we can't purchase anything because we don't have our list." So that made me very happy that she's understanding that concept that, before you go purchase something, let's create a list, analyze what we need to purchase, and figure out how much it's going to cost us. So I really like that she actually said, "Oh, we can't do that because we don't have a list." So once again, as an accountant, we love a good list. Particularly in corporate America, we live by an accounting checklist. We usually follow a month end checklist. So I want to talk about a checklist for small businesses and nonprofits, some common things that you should include on your checklist. This checklist will help you figure out what needs to be done. I'm old, my memory is not that great. I don't know about you, but creating a checklist helps me remember what I need to do. So for each of our clients, there is a checklist. There is a weekly checklist, month end, we have quarterly, and then we also have a year end. Can you imagine having to remember all of those different tasks for 4 to 5 to 10 different clients? It's impossible. So let's talk about common things that you should include on your checklist. So number one, you definitely want to include creating and sending invoices. So if you're that type of business that's creating invoices, you need to put that on your checklist. Number two, also pay the bills. You want to make sure that's on the checklist. So if there's things that are not on auto pay, make sure you include that. Number three, also on the checklist, review the bank account. A lot of businesses do not review the bank account. They only review the bank account to say, okay, let me see what the balance is so I can pay this. But you want to just kind of skim through, see what charges are coming through, what revenue is coming through, so you can just detect any fraud, any things that look unusual. So you want to do that once a week. You also want to look at your credit card. Credit cards, as we know, fraud is so prevalent. So you want to look through your credit cards once a week, see what charges are coming through. Another item, this is perfect timing. You want to make sure if you utilize contractors, you want to have on your list issue out 1099s. You also want to have on your list if you hire a 1099, okay, you have an agreement. So these are the things that you should include on your checklist. So I urge you, with this being the new beginning of a new year, a new month, take 30 minutes, create your to-do list. You can do old school, just take a notebook, write out 3 to 5 things that you should be doing regarding business finances. Take that list and work on that list this month. Very simple. Just take 3 to 5 things, do those things, and then you'll see actually your business finances. You'll feel more comfortable. You feel like things are starting to get done. So hopefully you find this information helpful. Make sure you share, comment, and like. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.